My name is Lochte Ertel, and I'm running for state representative in District 53. And I just wanted to make sure that you heard the good news about your freedom to vote. Something really important happened on July 20th, 2016. Something really important to protect your freedom to vote in Texas elections. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans ruled that the Texas voter ID law violates the Voting Rights Act because it discriminates against African Americans and Hispanics. The appeals court told the district court to change the law and take out the discriminatory parts. So, how did we get this Texas voter ID law that was struck down? Well, back in 2011, when Rick Perry was the governor, Republicans controlled the legislature, Rick Perry decided that there was an emergency in Texas, that the state needed to start requiring people to have a government-issued photo ID for registered voters to vote in person. Prior to 2011, Texans could vote with their voter registration card, which they got in the mail. Well, it turned out that over 600,000 registered voters in Texas did not have government-issued photo IDs. And so in one fell swoop, Governor Perry and the Republicans in the legislature took away the voting rights of over 600,000 Texans. Well, right away in 2011, there were objections to this law, and 3 courts and the Department of Justice all found that the law discriminated against African Americans and Hispanics and violated the Voting Rights Act. But Governor Perry went ahead and implemented the law in 2013, and it was used to suppress the vote in the general election of 2014. And sure enough, millions of Texans who were registered to vote did not vote in November 2014. In fact, Texas was 49th in the nation for voter turnout, and only 1 out of 3 Texans who were registered to vote actually voted. You know, I was a poll worker in the 2014 election, and it felt more like an interrogation than the exercise of a precious right and freedom. And you know what's the best way to celebrate this wonderful court decision? It's obvious. Go out and vote. And not just yourself, but your family, the voters that are in your church, the voters in your workplace, the voters in your neighborhood. Encourage all of them to vote. Make sure that they know that voter suppression is over and the freedom to vote is back. And when you go out and vote in November, please vote for me, Lochte Ertel, for state representative. Thank you.